Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair dove 2.9% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The euro dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The ROC's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The pound dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar pair plummeted 1% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Apple says it has struck a multi-billion-dollar deal with chipmaker Broadcom to use more US-made parts. Under the multi-year agreement, the two US companies will develop components for 5G devices that will be designed and manufactured in America. Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey said he was concerned about the risk of sticky and stubborn inflation over the summer, after data showed food prices still rising sharply, despite a drop back to single digits for the headline inflation rate in April. The leading crypto exchange Binance, through its NFT market platform, has added support for Polygon NFTs. NFT traders can now explore and purchase tokens on the Polygon network directly on the Binance NFT homepage ranking board.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US gross domestic product annualized will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index at 12:30 GMT. Germany's gross domestic product at 0600 hours GMT. Germany's GfK Consumer Confidence Survey will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's Tokyo Consumer Price Index at 2330 GMT. Japan's Tokyo CPI at 2330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.